Hi everybody, welcome to Bell CB. I've got a Texas Star Killer B250 here. This is a repair report on this amplifier. Dean in Colorado has sent this to me, and he also sent me his radio so I can match it up to it, make sure they play nice together. Dean, I fixed the lighting circuit on your 3 push buttons. The bulbs were fine, the circuit was bad. I fixed your meter and we replaced the 2 transistors inside. Replaced them with Toshiba 2879s. I'm going to get a bunch of comments about that. They're supposed to be 2290s, but we stepped it up to the 2879s and made the appropriate capacitive changes in and out, and the windings changed on the input transformer. Okay, enough said about that. This sucker's up and ready to go. Dean, let's check it out over here. On the watt meter, I'm reading 100 watts across the top. Dead keying right in there about 75 watts. I'm using a 500 watt slug today. It's going to be reading right here 200, and there's 300.
Audio check. Audio 1 2 3 4 5 1 2. Audio check. 1 2 3 4 5. Audio 1 2 3 4.
And let's take it over to sideband. And on this radio, I like to put the power up on sideband, down when you're on AM. Alright, so turn it up for sideband. Put the sideband delay switch on in the back of the amplifier. Let's check that out. Audio 1 2 3 4 5. Audio check. Let me tune this radio in and let's see what we're on. Upper sideband.
Audio check. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Audio check. Audio 1 2 3 4 5.
There we go. They play real well together. Let's put it on the air real quick. Greg 19 for radio check. I appreciate it, driver. Have a good day. 10 or